So in the previous video we have discussed about some questions related to aquaculture and fisheries. Today we will discuss some more questions related to this, and these questions are related to the riverine fisheries and cold water fisheries. So let's start. Here the question number 1 is the which river system in India is known for supporting a large number of commercially important fish species. It means which of the following river support a large number of commercially important fish. So as we know, it is the Ganges river system, which is very important from the fisheries point of view. Although there are some problem by pollution, but still it is very important and it supports a large number of fish species. Now the next question, uh, what is the approximate total length of river system in India? So the approximate total length of river system in India is about 2900 kilometer. So here the correct option is 2900 kilometer. Which fish species is significant contributor to riverine fisheries in India? So among these, it is the Katla, which is important contributor uh, to riverine fisheries in India. The fish that are important from the riverine culture, riverine capture are Katla, Rohu, and Mrigal. That is major carp of India. So here uh, these three fishes are very important. So here only Katla is given. So Katla is important. Rest of the fishes such as silver carp, grass carp and tilapia, these are cultured fishes and these are often occur in ponds, not in a river. So here the correct option is Katla. Now the next question is, what is the average fish production from riverine resources in India? So in India, the average fish production from a river or riverine resources is about 300 kilogram per kilometer length of river. Now next, which of the following is a major challenge faced by riverine fisheries in India? So it is the pollution. Pollution is the main cause, main challenge for the fishes in the water body. So it is true also in the case of river. So habitat improvement, here first option is talk about improvement, but reality is that habitat is going to degrade. It is not improve. Stock enhancement, it is also not true. Community based management, it is also not true. It is the pollution. Now next question. Which one is the key solution to address overfishing in riverine fisheries? So, due to rapidly increase in population of the country, there is huge pressure on the riverine fisheries, and this leads to the overfishing. Overfishing means capturing of capturing of a large number of fishes more than मतलब इतनी फिश कैप्चर की जाए जितनी नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, जो कि रिप्लेस ना हो सके, which cannot be replaced, that is known as overfishing. So overfishing is the fishing or capturing of the fish up to such large extent that cannot be replaced by the remaining fishes. So overfishing is one of the problem in nowadays, and it is this problem can be addressed by uh, implementing fishing regulation. We have to government have to uh, undertake some steps to regulate the amount of fish to be captured from the river, so overfishing could not take place. Next one is the which fish species is considered a bottom feeder and is commonly found in Indian river. So here the important fish that is bottom feeder is the mrigal. As we know, mrigal is also cultured in pond, so it is a bottom feeder and commonly found in Indian rivers. How do dam and barrage affect riverine fisheries in India? So dam and barrage uh, disrupt fish migration because these are artificial water bodies and they create a blockage or a hindrance in the path of the migration. So uh, in this way they affect the riverine fisheries of India. They disrupt fish migration because due to barrage and dams the natural path of the river is modified and this affect the migration of the fish. Next one is the question number 9. What percentage of total animal protein intake in India is contributed by fish from riverine fisheries? So it is about 15%. It is about 15% and most appropriate data will be about 11 to 13%. So it is about 15% that is contributed from that comes from the riverine fishes. So the animal protein intake from the riverine fisheries consists of about 15%. Now next one, which of the following technological advancement can help in better monitoring of riverine fish? How from the following technologies, how we can monitor the riverine fisheries? So traditional fishing method is not handheld nets, manual data collection. It is the remote sensing and GIS. It is the latest technology and very suitable technology, very efficient technology. So by this we can follow, we can monitor the riverine fisheries. Now next one is the which fish in India is known for its cultural and religious significance? Which river in India is known for its cultural and religious significance and supports diverse fish species? So it is very famous river that is Ganges river or river Ganga. It is important from religious point of view and also it supports a large variety of fish. So it is river Ganga. In India, they are also termed as Mother Ganga. So it is one of the very important religious river. What is one of the key function of fish in the riverine ecosystem? So the key function of the fish in riverine ecosystem is the nutrient cycling. They are a part of the transfer of energy and also transfer of the nutrient from one trophic level to another trophic level. So the key function of the fish in the riverine ecosystem is nutrient cycling. Next one is which fish species is known for being a filter feeder in Indian river? So which of the following is a filter feeder? So it is the grass carp and it is a filter feeder. Fish particularly feed on phytoplankton. So now the next one. Which state in India is known for successful management practices in the Ganga river system? So which state in India is known for successful management practices in Ganga river system? So it is the Uttar Pradesh and other state do not have the flow basin of the Ganga river. So it is the Uttar Pradesh. Now next one is the what is one of the key benefit of community waste management in riverine fisheries? So it is the uh, uh, जो कम्युनिटी वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट है उसका की बेनिफिट क्या है वी हैव टू point out from these options. So increase unregulated fishing, no. Enhanced habitat degradation, no. Promotion of sustainable practices. It is the uh, benefit of the community waste management. So now next question. Which fish species is known for its significance in traditional fishing practices in India? So it is the traditional fishing practices में जो fish important है, the fish which is important from traditional uh, fishing practices is the rohu. Rohu is important fish and very traditional fish occur in the natural water body. So it is the here the option A is correct. Next one is the question number 17 and okay. Now the next question is, one minute please. So what is the primary goal of habitat restoration project in riverine fisheries? What is the primary goal of habitat restoration project in riverine fisheries? So here the it is the habitat restoration. It means replacing or the re-establishment of the habitat that is degraded due to different factors. So it is the supporting fish growth and reproduction. If we restore their habitats, then it will be beneficial for the fish and they grow well and reproduce well. So it is the goal of habitat restoration. Now one improvement here and which we want to improve, it is the it is this question which was that which fish species is known for being a filter feeder in Indian rivers. So it is not the grass carp, but it is the silver carp. So please correct it. It is not the grass carp, but it is the silver carp. Grass carp feed on the grasses or aquatic vegetation, but it does not a filter feeder. It is the silver carp, which is a filter feeder. So the question number 13, in which we attempted D previously, but it is not true. It is the correct option is the silver carp. So correct it. Now the next question and 1 minute please. So which fish species is known for its significance? ये तो हो गया. Next is the question number 18. Which technology can be used to study fish behavior and migration pattern in Indian rivers? So it is the biotelemetry. This technology used, it is the biotelemetry which is used to study the fish behavior and migration pattern in Indian river. So it is the option B. Now next one. What is the primary role of fish passes at dams and barrages? So we created fish passes in order to support fish migration and here the support the fish migration. So fish uh, will not diverted towards the dam and they remain in the river. So for this purpose, it is the facilities of fish passes are created at the dam and barrage. Now next one, which region in India is primarily known for cold water fisheries? So cold water fisheries are related to the hilly region of the country. So it is the Himalayan region. Here the correct option is the Himalayan region. So here the correct option is C. Now next question is, which one is the typical water temperature range for cold water fisheries? So it is the typical water temperature range for cold water fisheries is 10 to 30 degrees centigrade. So it is 10 to 30 degrees centigrade. Which fish species is prized game fish in cold water fisheries? So the game fish in cold water fisheries is the mahshir. It is the now next one is the where cold water fisheries primarily found in India. So if we talk about India and cold water fisheries, these are found in Himalayan region and Western Ghat. So it is the D option is most fit in this question. Now next one is the which introduced fish species widely found in India's cold water fisheries. So it is the rainbow trout. If we talk about cold water fisheries, it is the rainbow trout which is frequently cultured in cold water region of the India, such as those uh, which are Himalayan states such as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, and other states. 25. What is one of the major challenge faced by cold water fisheries? So the major challenge faced by cold water fisheries are abundant fish stock, no habitat degradation, lack of demand, high water temperature. It is the habitat degradation. So it is option C is correct here. It is the habitat degradation, which is the main problem in the cold water fisheries of India. Which river system provides ideal condition for uh, ideal condition for cold water fish species in India? So it is the uh, Yamuna and Sabarmati, Godavari and Tapti, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So it is the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Uh, these rivers flow. A major part of these rivers lie in the hill region or the Himalayan region. So the correct option here is the Ganga and Brahmaputra river system provides ideal condition for cold water fish species in India. Now next one is the 27, question number 27. Which fish species is native to the Himalayan region, adapted to cold water? So it is Indian hill trout. Uh, all the fishes uh, that belongs to trout category are cold water fishes, and in this question the correct option is the Indian hill trout. What type of water bodies are suitable for cold water fisheries? So cold water fisheries uh, cold water, fast flowing rivers and streams. So these are the suitable or cold water fisheries. Now next one, question number 30. Which fish species is known as snow trout in India's cold water? So the snow trout in India's cold water is the Schizothorax species, and the rest of these are the these are not cold water fishes. They are found in the plain region. And Now the next question: what is the significant opportunities for the development of cold water fisheries? So, uh, what is a significant opportunity for the development of cold water fisheries? So, here it is the community waste management. Here that is important because all other options are not suitable from the questions point of view. So, here it is the community waste management. Now question number 31. Which Indian state are cold water fisheries crucial source of income? So in which Indian states are cold water fisheries a crucial source of income? So it is the Himachal Pradesh. Cold water fisheries are a crucial source of income in Himachal Pradesh. So it is the Himachal Pradesh. Now next one. What is one of the benefit of cold water fisheries for local communities? So it is the increased food security. They also contribute in the total production of the fish. So in this way, they increased food security and increases the availability of the fishes for consumption. Which fish species is not native to India's cold water? So it is the rainbow trout. It is the not native to. It is a exotic fish and brings from another country to Indian cold water or culture. So it is not native to India. And which environmental factor is crucial for survival of cold water fish species? So it is the cold water temperature. It is crucial and very important from their survival. Now question number 35. Which fish species is commonly found in the cold water of Western Ghat? So in the Western Ghat, cold water, the question is talking about cold water. So here the cold water fish is the Mahasir. So it is the option C, Mahasir fish that is related to the cold water of the Western Ghat. Now next question. What is the role of hatcheries in cold water fisheries? So as we know, hatcheries are the breeding ground and they help in producing and stocking fingerlings. So here is also option number C is correct. These are help. They help in the production of fish seed and stocking of the fish seed. Now question number 37. And which organization is responsible for the research and development of cold water fisheries in India? So the cold water fisheries and other fisheries researches, fisheries related researches are carried out by Indian Council of Agricultural Research. So it is the option B. It is ICAR which is responsible for the research. What is a K measure to conserve native fish species in cold water fisheries? So the key K measure is the for the conservation of native species is implementing habitat restoration. So the correct option here is C. We restore their habitat. It means जो उनका आवास स्थल है उसको अगर हम मेंटेन करें, उसको सुरक्षित रखें, तो इन दिस वे वी कैन कंजर्व द नेटिव फिश स्पीसीज. If we conserve their habitat, so they can live there and increase their number, and this will help in overall conservation of the fish. So which practice is essential for sustainable management of cold water fisheries? So here if we talk about the uh, sustainable management of cold water fisheries, then it is the regular monitoring and research is important, and we have regularly monitor that what is their population density, how many numbers are there, and if there is existence of any factors that are harmful to them, then we have to manage them. So for the sustainable management of cold water fisheries, the important practice is the regular monitoring and research. So it's all about the fisheries of river and cold water. In this video, we will study some other questions in the next video. So thanks for this.